Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Etsy application on your mobile device. First of all, make sure to download and install Etsy application on your smartphone and launch it open. This will be the welcome screen for your account. Go ahead and type in your email address in the email tab and then tap on sign in or create an account. If you don't have an account yet, you will be able to create a new account with the provided email. But if you already have an existing account, you can sign in with the email. After typing down your email address, click on sign in or create, and on the next page, enter your password for your Etsy account. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on the reset password button at the very bottom of the screen. But if you remember your account's password, you can type it down in the text box. You can also sign in with email link if you don't want to type in the password. In order to do that, click on email me a sign-in link and then check your email inbox for the email that you provided. After you open up the email, you'll see Etsy email that you received. Click on it and then click on sign in. If you've chosen the password option after typing down the correct password, you'll then be able to log into your account. So that is how you can easily sign into your Etsy account if you have an existing account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.